song is called Canto delle Donne di Marinai, the song of the wives of the fishermen. And in Sicily there was a tradition, a very ancient tradition, when the men would go to sea and there would be a sudden storm. The women would gather on the shore and they would sing and they would chant and wail. And it was the sound of their voices over the surf and over the wind that would be used as a beacon to call the men back safely to shore. And this is one of their songs, Canto delle Donne di Marinai. It's really a prayer. And they ask God to give their lover at sea masts of gold, jibs of silver, and good weather. Signor, un sommino facile